Hey you guys, it is our very last day here in the home. Okay, so I didn't even think about doing this. I was here cleaning the stove and I was like, why not just, you know, do a clean with me, a move out clean with me. Y'all want to see my refrigerator? I've already removed the bottom part, but look, and then this is the stuff that I've already washed out that goes back into the original refrigerator. This is real life right here. Okay, so this is our current refrigerator. So sad, I know. This is probably gonna be a waste because I don't think I'll be able to use that meat, but I'm gonna just bag up the little bit that's here and give this refrigerator a super deep clean, of course. Get all the rubber. When you move out, you wanna make sure, like right here, you see, it has like little, whatever that is, like a crumb. So the best thing to do, especially with a move out, you want to use a toothbrush. So this is an old toothbrush, and I'm going to be using some good old bleach, right? Yeah. Okay, so this is what I'm using to do a move out clean. I'm not in a state, so I would not be able to pack up what I didn't use and take it along with me. So I feel like I can clean a whole house with these two items. Move out clean is bleach and Dawn, and these are my miracle sponges right here. These clean everything. When I tell you, I've bought so many. I was trying to buy them to take them back to the States. I'm gonna have to go get some more today because we've went through so many of them. My son wiped down the lawnmower, got a little paint off the carpet, fingernail polish off the carpet. These sponges right here clean everything. I love them. I've bought so many and I'm gonna buy some more and put them in my luggage to take back with me. And a toothbrush. Definitely it's going to be important to get along in the, what's that, the refrigerator, like the rubber. Let me show you. Like around here, this is going to be so vital, especially for a move out clean. You want to make sure you get in all the little crevices, all of that. Like, look at that goes right in there well. And then especially like around here, you know, my kids been home, so it's definitely is time to get decluttered. So I'm gonna clean this refrigerator out, remove all of the, my window is open, so you might hear cars or whatever, but remove everything out, give it a good wipe down with some hot water and some bleach and Dawn, and then go in the crevices, like places that you probably would never like do often, but all back here you want to make sure you get, just be really detailed. You're moving out and passing this home on to someone else, so you don't want to, you know, you want to eliminate as much as possible.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger?
I will say this really quickly. I am just placing all of the items in a bag, but I will have to go back through and properly recycle all those things because, you know, I am here in Europe. So like this pickle jar, I will have to empty all the content out and then recycle that with the glass. And then like this is plastic, so I will have to empty all of the Parmesan cheese out. So I'm just gonna, you know, put that out there. In America, you know, most of us would just pitch it and throw it away, but we can't do that here. Oh, let's move that. Yeah, so I just wanted to make that clear because I am here in Europe. I still have to follow and respect their recycle laws and all that good stuff. Yeah, so on back to cleaning.
Now we won't go back home today, eh? Until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay. get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. We'll lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Okay, so this is what the top of the refrigerator currently looks like. Pretty gross, but that's because we've been super busy trying to move out, get stuff shipped, all the good stuff. So I'm gonna spray it down with some bleach spray and go on with my miracle sponges, as I call it, because it take care, just like, it's so effortless. I just go in, it just comes right up with this sponge. I really hope I can find something like this in the States.
Say the words to remember.
Okay, you guys, I'm back. I've gotten everything taken out of the kitchen, so now I'm pulling the refrigerator out. This is very imperative, especially if this is a move out clean. You want to definitely get back here. See, I even do this regularly and it's still dust accumulated. You want to just get this back of the refrigerator wiped down really well. Get all of, if anything sticky under my refrigerator, is pretty decent for the most part. I mean, you see I still have to address some things. You want to get this wiped down because this is pretty dusty right here, and then hit the baseboards. I like to take a toothbrush and get this wiped down, so that's what I'm about to do. So very pleased at how nice and clean this is. And now I can complete the kitchen. I didn't record, but I was working on the oven. It was like I'm degreasing it up. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, like the little fan and stuff. I was over here wiping. Here's the little vent. I cleaned this down, so I just need to add it back up here over the thing. I'm gonna leave these extra light bulbs, so if someone needs it. I've already cleaned and degreased up there. All the cabinets have already been cleaned out. Okay, you guys, this is a completed move out clean. The floor is still drying, but I just want to go over a few details. As you saw, I removed the glass out of the oven. I removed all of these, scrub, and re-scrubbed again. The oven is really what the realtors and all that be focusing on. And since I couldn't move my stove, I made sure I went through here with like a toothpick and a toothbrush to get the little creases. I polished up the cooktop. You see the glass here is shining. I cleaned all of that. I degreased. I kept degreasing and more and more Dawn hot water bleach. All of that. Yes. A little secret. I wish I would have known the whole time I lived here. I put a little pledge on this. I think it's granite because I don't have any granite thing, but it gives it a nice, beautiful shine. I wish I would have known about that. I would have been doing it the whole time. It's very, very important that you clean here. The faucet, get all in here, all in the crevices as much as possible. They're gonna have to regrout when whenever they go and redo this kitchen for the next tenant, the next guest, or whoever stays here, because some of the grout right here is coming up. But I scrubbed the mess out of it. Again, I would took my toothbrush, got along there. Anywhere there is little cracks and crevices, you want to clean it. The refrigerator, this was very important. We may not clean it on a daily basis, but to move in, do a move out clean, you want to make sure you clean all in there. Very, very important. Oh, let me cut that light off. Yeah, okay, that's better. So, look how clean this kitchen is. I'm a little jealous. I got up here and used a sponge, hot water, and some bleach and cleaned the top of the surface, the top of the board. I went over here with the rag and cleaned all up in this little lip, down the lip, all in the door jambs. You just want to clean places that you probably never cleaned or you didn't think about cleaning. Just little places that you may overlook from living somewhere for so long. We don't really have baseboards, but I took and used a toothbrush and move your refrigerator out. That's what I did. Clean the back of that. So yeah, it was a lot. It took a long time to make sure that you completely, extremely deep clean this kitchen. So if you have a security deposit or you won't be charged, yeah, because our very first apartment we moved in, I did not know anything about all of that. And yeah, lesson learned. I didn't know how to properly clean the oven. So yeah, I've learned from over the years. But stay tuned. I'll give you guys a tour of this house, unfurnished house tour. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoy this move out clean. Thank you so very much, and I will speak to you guys very soon. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.